Hi guys, I'm Sophia. Welcome to Fomito channel. Today we will introduce you the Fomito 68R LED light. This is a new package of 68R light, and opening up we can see one light, a USB charging cable, one menu, one storage bag. We can use the cable charging for the light. Six 68R has only one button on its back, which makes us control the light easily. On the bottom, there is a control with a quarter screw hole that can be plugged onto the camera or bolted to a tripod. There is a socket on each of the other three sides. The color temperature is between 3200 K and 6500 K. Besides, it has 7 models. For example, SOS, RGB. Wow, fantastic! There are magnets inside the 68R light. We can attach the light to any iron body we want. These lights can be combined and will for better use. The lights are amazing. This is all about the 68R LED light. If you have any questions, please leave it below the video. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.